I'm leaving home for the coastline, someplace under the sun. And there's a place that I've dreamed of, where
Sa lahat ng decision ko, nakasuporta siya. Kahit nahihirapan akong mag-apply bilang seaman, ganyan. Sinusuport. Parang pinapalakas niya yung loob ko para hindi sumuko.
I'm moving far away to a sunny place.
Sa asawa ko, Mrs. Han, hindi man ako ganun kagaling. Pinapangako ko na kasama mo ako sa lahat ng bagay, oras, sa kasiyahan, kalungkutan, sa kahit na anong problema ang dadating sa buhay natin.
Rod, sino mag-aakala na yung partner ko sa graduation mass nung kinder ay yung taong makakatuluyan ko? Hindi. Na yung sinabihan kong mukhang gangster nung 4th year high school, kami pala hanggang dulo.
Nag-transfer kasi ako ng public hanggang 3rd year, tapos 4th year na ulit ako lumipat, naging magkaklase kami. Tapos, niligawan ko siya.
I'm moving far away to a sunny place. Feels like we're in a dream. You know what I'm moving far away.
Rod, thank you for loving me every day. Thank you for listening to all my rants and also thank you for understanding me kahit na paulit-ulit akong mag-sermon sa'yo.
Lagi kong ipaparamdam sa'yo kung gaano ka kahalaga, kung gaano ka ka-importante at gaano kita kamahal, kung gaano kita na-appreciate sa araw-araw.
Holding on through all the years.
Lagi niya akong sinasabihan na pag nagmamotor, kung magpapaulan, ganyan, tapos yung likod ko, baka nababasa ng pawis, uubuhin ako, ganyan. Ayaw na ayaw niyang nagpapaambon ako kasi pag naambonan ako, sinisipon ako inuubo yan, ganyan.
All I want is what is real. I'm gonna stand by you. Even though
Kami ng mama mo naniniwala na natapos ka, matagal ka nag-a-apply, magkakalinaw na ang apply mo. Kaya pagbutihin mo. Good luck, all the best anak. Good luck.
Thank you pa.
will keep you safe for all my life. Yeah, you will have my heart for all of time. Even on your darkest days, you know that I
Mukhang mataray, para siyang mother ko. Yung Nera.
love you the same.
Today, I vow to always support your dreams and encourage you to keep going. Kahit na alam ko minsan pasuko ka na. Kasi madalas negative ang mga bagay-bagay.
Keep my faith in you. Even
Sabay tayo mag-grow, matututo, at bubuo ng masaya at matibay na kinabukasan.
oh, I will love you the same. Oh, I will keep you safe for all of time. Even on your darkest days, you know that I will never change. Oh, I will love you the same.
I promise to stand by your side through ups and downs, in moments of joy and times of struggle. I promise to be your safe haven, a home where you can be true to yourself without judgment. Kaya kahit anumang hamon, kahit gaano kahirap ang sitwasyon, pangako ko sa'yo, magkasama tayo, aahon.
Even on your